Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Dodge Nitro and I will show you which fuses to check in case your horn is not working. This video will apply to Dodge Nitros made from 2007 all the way up to 2012. And one more thing to mention, Dodge Nitro has two horns, one on the left side and one on the right side, so there is total of two fuses to check. Now there is a possibility that both fuses are blown, so the first thing to check would be the fuses, but the second most common thing of horn not working is actually the airbag clock spring issues. So if your both fuses are good, I would start looking towards the clock spring. Both horn fuses will be located under the front hood in the main fuse box, which is located right here next to the vehicle battery. Now to leave this cover you will have two black clips. One will be here and the other one just here. So all you have to do, you just have to press each of those to unlock it and then leave the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so the fuse number M22, it's a 10 amp red fuse located right here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to the right horn. And fuse number M23, it's also a 10 amp red fuse located here, responsible for power to the left side horn or the driver's side. So you have to check these two fuses. And like I said, if both fuses are good, I would start looking towards the airbag clock spring. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.